Hello and welcome. Chicken, mushrooms and broccoli, the kind of stir fry that looks like effort but really isn't. My kind of dinner. Let's get straight into it. So let's start by cutting up our chicken into some bite-sized pieces. I am using chicken thighs today. Start marinating our chicken. I'm going to start with a pinch of salt, some sugar, white pepper, some Chinese cooking wine, light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some sesame oil, some corn flour. Mix that all through. And we're going to set this aside to marinate for half an hour. Let's dice up our mushrooms. I'm using Swiss mushrooms here, but you can use any other mushroom. I'm just going to cut it into equal pieces. Chop a head of broccoli into small florets. Let's chop up 5 cloves of garlic. So let's heat up a pan. Drizzle some oil. Once that's heated up, add our garlic. Just toss that garlic through for a few seconds. Once the garlic's released its aroma, our broccoli goes in. Toss the broccoli through. And as you can see, the broccoli has absorbed all that oil. Once that happens, add the mushrooms. Toss that through for a few seconds. It's time now to flavor this with some Chinese rice wine. Pop it at the edge of the pan. Mix that through. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Put the lid on and let that steam for about a minute. Liking this chicken magic so far? Don't stop here. There's more clucking good recipes waiting in the description below. It's been about a minute. It's time to get these veggies out. I like my veggies a bit crunchy, so I'm going to take them out. So they're nicely flavored with the garlic and the rice wine. And to the same pan, I'm going to add a little bit more oil. And it's time for the chicken to go in. So just spread that chicken out, let it make contact with the pan. And don't stir it, just leave it till it changes color on one side. This might take about a minute. So once your chicken has changed color on one side or brown, flip it over as best you can and let it sear on the other side. Still watching? You're obviously craving more. Go on, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below. Okay, once your chicken is seared on both sides, just toss it through. I'm going to add about half a cup of water. Mix that through. Put the lid on and then let that cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, it's time to check on this chicken. You can see my water has dried up and created a nice sauce. Pop my veggies back in. And give that a nice toss. I'm going to add a dash of water because I want it a bit more saucy. Dinner's done, pan off the heat, and now you've got one more recipe under your belt. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.